Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Ice Maker Assy-Kit part #AEQ73449909. The LG Electronics Ice Maker Assy-Kit part #AEQ73449909 is a replacement part for LG refrigerators. It is an assembly kit that includes the ice maker, ice bin, and all necessary hardware for installation. The ice maker is designed to produce up to 2.5 pounds of ice per day and can store up to 1.5 pounds of ice at a time. The kit also includes a water valve, mounting bracket, and other components needed for installation. This part is compatible with select LG refrigerator models and can be used to replace an existing or malfunctioning ice maker assembly. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is an ice maker assembly kit for LG Electronics refrigerators. It is used to replace a faulty or broken ice maker assembly and can help to fix issues such as the refrigerator not producing ice, the ice maker not dispensing ice, or the ice cubes being too small. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the ice bin and any other components that may be blocking access to the ice maker assembly. 3. Disconnect the water line from the existing ice maker assembly and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Install the new LG Electronics Ice Maker Assy-Kit part #AEQ73449909 by following the instructions included with it. 5. Reconnect the water line to the new ice maker assembly and make sure it is securely connected. 6. Place any components that were removed back in their original positions in P. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.PowerTart IPS.com to order residential appliance parts.